Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss some of the basic formulas that we commonly use in Excel. So as you can see in my screen, we have 6 different formulas that we are going to discuss today, like add, max, minimum, average, count, subtract. So I have taken a small data here, years from 2014 to 2023, and I have just assumed some numbers as the sales of a company per year. So like if I the first formula that we are going to learn today is add. So most of you guys must be thinking like, the data is quite small and the values are such that, most of you guys can solve it. And some of you guys, calculate with the help of a calculator. But imagine you are working in a company and you have, thousands of numbers and you have to add them all. So how are you going to calculate it orally or, with the help of a calculator? It would take you ample of time. But the formula which I am going to narrate or tell you will solve your problem within seconds. So formula is equals to sum. No, you'll get this here. Click, select it, bracket, select the data. See, it shows B2, and now just drag it. It shows B2 is to B11. So let's click enter and you'll get the sum. So the formula is quite basic. And for max, it is equals to max, you get it, bracket open, again same process, select the data, B2 is to B11, enter, you'll get maximum number. Again same for minimum, it's the same case, min, you'll get minimum, bracket open. You guys must be wondering, you could have easily identified it. But as I said, right now the data which we have is quite small. These formulas are useful when data, there's a huge data of, 1000 or 2000 cells. Then these formulas are very useful to you. Now, in case of average, the formula is equals to average. Select this, bracket, again select the numbers, enter, you'll get average. Count, the formula is again quite simple. Select, bracket open, select the data, drag it, enter. But now subtract. So guys, you must have noticed that the formulas are quite similar. Is equals to add for max, is equals to max, is equals to minimum. But in case of subtract, we don't have a particular formula. So in this case, we have, for example, if I want to subtract B2 from B3, so I'll do B2 minus B3, bracket closed, is equals to bracket open, B2 minus B3, bracket closed, enter. 15,000. So guys, these were the basic formulas that we studied today, and I hope that you must have found this video quite useful and you would use these formulas and excel in the Excel world. And do follow, like, subscribe our YouTube channel, The Excelers, and I promise you that we'll bring more useful videos for you and we'll live up to our name, The Excelers. Thank you.